Kumusta ka aking mahal? Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Ako'y wag mong intindihin, nakakaraos din.
Wala nang money, wala pang honey. Wala
During our
nang
seminar
money,
in the
wala
Philippines,
pang honey.
they said na do not bring family picture, just bring your letter of loan. Para daw wag ma-homesick. Where's someone ko, ama? Ikan ka. Because you miss the family. And then
Honey,
the
sa
old
aking pagbalik,
miss also
ikaw ba ay
her family. They feel you are her family
Honey,
already, and then you feel also that
sa aking mga bitbit.
pataw. Yung mga sumuot na sa bag para letter of
Lai, Jiraya.
Directors na yung ikaw.
Tawa ka. Oh!
Ayaw na, mahulog ka. Ayun, pumasok kapatid. Ano mo?
Nauulit ako. Ayan ka, nangihintod dun.
Ano, pwede na.
How do you feel that you are going
Kulang
home?
pala ini.
Maybe
Iri.
I look my two son and I talk to them. What is your feel that I come back now?
Suwatan ka, adong nga sukulaten, kay adong nga adaw.
My husband is thinking I am another husband. I tell why you think that to me, maybe you do that.
Bilang isang manggagawa, sa ibang bansa ako'y nagpaalila para mabigyan ng karangyaan ang pamilyang aking naiwan.
Don't cry. You have another 8 years and 9 months.
No, if I finish this, it's close. I don't think.
Don't say that. Maybe if you have a dream, maybe you plan to come back again.
Sarili ko'y tulad ng isang bituin, mawala man ay magbabalik din. Kaya mga mahal ko, huwag akong alalahanin, dahil ako'y kapara ng isang bituin.
Wala nang money, wala pang honey. Wala nang money, wala pang honey.